Welcome to 121 Beatty Downs Road, Apartment C. We're here at the door now. You can see back down to the stairwell to the main level. But this apartment is on the second floor. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So we're in the living room now. You can see nice sized living room. Home is carpeted mostly throughout with tile flooring in the kitchen and the bathroom as well. You see nice sized living area, nice and bright with a light coming in through the 2 windows facing the front. Kitchen is right through the opening here. You have tile flooring in here, nice size. Has an eat-in dining area where you can put a table there as well. White appliances in here, a electric stove, dishwasher and refrigerator, and ample cabinet space. There's a window looking out towards the back, and then your laundry closet here has full-size washer and dryer connections, and there's a shelf above as well. So in the hallway here, you have a couple of closets. There's a linen closet here, and then on the right side, this is just more of a utility closet where the air handler for the HVAC system is. Your master bedroom is here to the back left. Faces the rear as well. You can see the closet is here in the corner. And then you have a half bathroom here as well. Tile flooring, single vanity and commode, and then a medicine cabinet there. Your second full bathroom at the end of the hall. Single vanity and a shower and tub in here also. And then last but not least, your third bedroom of the property. This one faces the front, and you can see the closet here on the right side. So that completes our tour of this property. Again, this is 121 Beatty Downs Road. It's in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26, also Harbison, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.